everybody, it's Mrs. Haugen. Today we're going to continue with Module 7. We're going to work on Lesson 12 today. It's very similar to yesterday, although it looks different because it is in a story problem. So our job today is to solve these story problems, and we can either use the arrowway, a number bond, or a tape diagram. And I'm okay if you add subtraction as one of your options too. That's totally fine. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. Jeremy had 80 cents. How much more money does he need to have $1? So what they're asking us is if we're starting at 80 cents, how many do we need to get to $1? Or like we did yesterday, they labeled it as 100 cents, and that's okay too. So from 80, how did we get to 100? Counting by tens? How many tens would that be? 80, 90, 100. Well, this one is simply 20, right? You count by tens 2 times. So how much more money does he need? He needs 20 cents. So to type this out, Jeremy needs 20 cents to make $1. So the first one they gave us was pretty simple. Jeremy needs 20 cents to make $1. Number 2, Abby bought a banana for 35 cents. She gave the cashier $1. How much change did she receive? So we've not seen a problem that sounds like this before, but really they're asking us for the same thing. So, oh goodness, that is really bad. Let me start over. Oh my goodness. So the total money that she had was $1, right? Because she bought a banana, because she spent that money, that means we have to subtract that from the $1. So you can count up from 35 to 100, just like we did in number 1, just like we did yesterday. Or if you'd like, I told you that you could add subtraction to your options for solving. So you could also do 100 minus 35. Remember that when we subtract, we find the bigger number first. More on the floor tells me to go next door and get 10 more. So, because I can't, there's nothing there, I have to bundle. Carefully. And when I take 10, that leaves me with 0, 9. Now I will use another color so you can see this. So that's my take 10. This is my give 10. So now I have 10 ones minus 5 ones equals 5. And 9 tens minus 3 tens equals 6 tens. So how much change did Abby receive? Abby received 65 cents in change. So again, $1 was my total. So I took away the amount of money that she paid for her banana, 35 cents, and my total that she got back, the part that she got back, I should say, is 65 cents. Now you could also count up with the arrowway. You would just start at 35, skip count by tens, as close to 100 as you can get, and then add on the extras to get you to 100. For number 3, it says Joseph spent 75 cents of his dollar at the arcade. How much money does he have left? So again, he took $1 to the arcade, and because he spent money, we have to take that away from his dollar. So 100 minus 75 is the math problem we're working with. Again, I need to find the bigger number when I subtract. More on the floor tells me to go next door and get 10 more. So because there's nothing to take, I have to bundle because I have to get something there. So I bundle, and instead of having 10 tens, I now have 0, 9 tens. So that's my take 10. Now I give 10. So now that I have a bigger number on top, I can subtract. 10 take away 5 equals 5, and 9 take away 7 equals 2. And this one you might have known in your head because 75 cents is 3 quarters. So to get to that last dollar, you would need one more quarter, which is also 25 cents. So we will write Joseph has 25 cents left. So for your assignment today, I need you to really take your time and do a really great job. And if subtraction isn't a strategy that you like for these, you may completely use that strategy. Just do it really carefully. Do a great job.